3, 2, 1.
Good day po sa inyong lahat mga Kabags TV. Ngayong araw po ay samahan niyo po ako sa aking biyahe at pupuntahan po natin ang isa sa magandang tambayan na malapit lang sa may Luneta. Kung bago pa lang po kayo sa akin channel ay subscribe na po kayo and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Ang gamit natin ngayong motor ay ang Suzuki Burgman Street EX 125. Salamat nga pala sa inyong lahat mga Kabags TV sa pagsama nyo sa aking biyahe.
Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night?
Pagkatapos ng ilang minutong biyahe ay nakarating na rin tayo dito sa Bay Harbor View. hanggang dito na lang po muna ang aking video mga Kabags TV. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, subscribe na po kayo sa aking channel and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. At hanggang sa muli, salamat po.